In this video, I want to show you how to browse the internet on your Insignia Fire TV. So the first step, press the home button. Then from here, we need to navigate until you select this icon right over here. You see it's 3 squares with a plus button. Now go down and you should have internet. This is pre-installed. You don't have to download anything. If you want to place the internet button as one of the first options, so you don't have to go in this menu every time, highlight it the way it is now and press the button with the 3 lines and select move in front. This way internet will be the first option. So if I press the home button, you see over here, internet is the first one. Click on it and it will launch Amazon Silk, which is the default web browser of your Insignia TV. And from here, where it's the same as on your computer or smartphone, so you can go on the top. You're going to navigate using the buttons over here. You see you have a cursor. If you can keep press, it will go faster. It's a bit hard, but yeah, you can type the address of your website you want to go on the top, or you have all the other options that you're used to, including over here, including adding bookmarks. So you don't have to type, let's say, your favorite website every time. You can just go on it and then add bookmarks. And this way it will be much easier to have access to it. But overall, this is it. This is how you browse the internet. I hope this was useful. Please leave a comment down below if it was. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks again.